What's up, everybody? Today is a great day. Today, we're going to start putting this back together. So I just got some new parts in, so we're going to go ahead and unbox and see what we got. Everything that I got is basically everything I need to put the bottom end back together. Everything I got from Engine Machine Services out of Ohio. If you ever need anything to rebuild a Starion or a Conquest, he's got pretty much everything. So you can go to enginemachineservice.com and check out his website. And like I said, he's got pretty much everything you need to put your motor back together. And I'll put his link in the description. So instead of getting mine resurfaced or ground down or anything like that, I went ahead and got a refurbished one, just so that I could use, regular size bearings and all that good stuff. And time too. I'm trying to have a new goal set for getting this car running. I want to have it running by March for the Run to the Sun car show down here in Myrtle Beach. So we'll see if we can do that. It's going to be tough, but we can do it!
I'll just ride with you, because there ain't no way I'll be done. Unless someone wants to donate a 2J, a 7M, or a 1U. Please.
Junkyard's got some.
No, they don't.
They don't?
I looked again. They don't have the IS listed.
Oh, really?
They have a GS400. And it just says an SC series Lexus. Which either is acceptable. Yeah. I ain't got no money.
Stop buying signed Pennywise out.
Hey, it was $23, okay? Don't be knocking Pennywise.
Look at that. Nice and shiny. No grooves in it. I just opened the box to make sure everything was in there, and I didn't take anything out. Well, the first thing I did notice when I opened this box, bunnies.
You look really happy.
You never read the funnies when you were younger?
Yeah, but not anymore.
Got good ones in here. Pie and Lois, Blondie, Peanuts, Hagar the Horrible.
Do you need a second? Like, so you can sit down and read your funnies?
I'm just reliving my childhood.
Because I'll give you a moment if you need it.
What's on this one? Let's see. Stupid Garfield. Rugrats. That's not good. Alright, so in this box, Engine Machine Service Inc. That's where you go.
Which?
That's where you're from.
Yeah.
So we got valve stem seals, which we don't need those today. I got heavy duty Schneider valve springs.
Ooh.
I have a balance shaft elimination kit.
We no longer balance.
I got bearings. Yeah. Cojinetes. So one's the main bearings and the other's the rod bearings. I'm guessing the bigger ones are probably the main bearings.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
You're the one building this. I'm here for moral support.
Well, thanks.
What?
And I got the ARP, big old ARP studs. And something else I acquired was this fancy new box. Where'd the knife go?
Box of funnies.
I don't know if this one probably doesn't have funnies in it. Knock your coffee over there. Come on, Bray. Throw out bearing from ACT. Pilot bearing. That was broken. And this bad boy.
Pizza? Made
Yep.
pizza?
It's a pan pizza, personal pan pizza from ACT.
I'm hungry now. That's the ugliest pizza I've ever seen.
So I just got the clutch because my pressure plate's still good, but clutch was shot. So I'm pretty sure it's a competition clutch or center clutch masters pressure plate. So there we have it. So now we're gonna start putting the bottom end together. Hope you're as excited as I am.
No grandpa bottom end jokes.
I couldn't think of one.
Alright, so before we put the crankshaft in and torque it down and make sure everything's permanent, we're going to plastic gauge just to make sure everything is within spec. This is pretty easy to use. So you're going to have to find out what size you need. There's two that comes to a kit. Both of them are labeled which sizes you need. Your service manual will let you know. So basically what you're going to do is, it's like a green little piece of wire filament, and there's red in here. You're going to cut a little piece off of it, and once you lay the crank down in the block, you're going to lay it down on the face of it, torque all the main caps down, take the main caps back off, bearings installed of course, and then there's a little gauge on here that you'll measure to see your clearances. Pretty easy to use. Also, this is the time to make sure everything is as clean as possible. If there's any dirt, dust, anything else that gets trapped in the bearings is going to cause scoring and scratching, and you don't want any of that. So yeah, keep it clean.
sequence: center, number 2, number 4, front and rear catwalk. Center, number 2, number 4, front, rear.
Both of them together.
Yeah. And when in doubt, consult the service manual.
Always consult the service manual.
So when you're torquing down the main caps, it says to do the center, then number 2, then number 4, then front and rear in 2 to 3 stages.
Take it back on.
Today we got the crankshaft installed and torqued out to spec. Next we're going to start installing the pistons, putting on the rings and testing the ring gap and all that good stuff.
And remember, if you like either of the hats, sweatshirt, or shirts that we're wearing today, check out our website to pick up your very own.
And that's snrmotoring.com. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. And we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye.